Good morning everybody, what a lovely week here for the XDC chart. We can see the price has rallied from 0.057 all the way up to a euphoric high of 0.086, and yes, we did call this particular pump just last week. We looked at a video here 8 days ago trading at 0.058 saying there's a good chance we break through, and what happened? We broke through the chart. So ladies and gents, give the algorithm some love, subscribe, like to this channel, and let people know, let YouTube know especially, that we are doing good things out here. So firstly, thanks for watching this video. XDC token skyrockets to 1 year high. Experts predict far more upside in 2024. Now, of course, I don't want to be a self-acclaimed expert, but I do actually think that we could be looking at more upside potential as well. Just looking at some key data like the $1 billion market cap, rank 43, the amount of volume that we are seeing as well for this particular token, and it's still not yet listed on any major tier 1 exchanges. I'm talking about Coinbase, Binance, some of the really big ones up there. So when it does eventually get listed there, which I think it will once it gets more volume, once it really proves itself, this coin could honestly go wild, because they will eventually accept it, everyone, and that is the truth. So the thing is, these coins are pretty utility based. We like fundamentals, we like utility, we will look at the price analysis, but for those that don't know, we can see here are some benefits over the XinFin XDC versus second and first generation. We can see you're getting a lot more TPS, transactions per second, you're getting a much more efficient average fee, you're getting much better transaction confirmation as well, super fast, so you're saving more time. And of course, it's a more green cryptocurrency at the same time. So there's a few key unique selling points about this particular ecosystem and blockchain, why I'm particularly bullish about it. So let's jump into the technical analysis. We can see we are now starting to get rejected over these particular resistance levels here from December 2021. So this is a real hot spot. You can see there were a few major wicks here where we had support, we had some bounces, we had some impulse waves and corrections here for this particular coin. We're on the daily time frame. We can see here on the Bollinger Band side of things, it got pretty volatile. So when we see the opening of these Bollinger Bands, that's when you start a new trend, that's when things get volatile. As we can see right there, 20-day moving average, pretty overextended at the moment. But it did actually do something kind of wild in my opinion. Looks like it was trading in almost an rising wedge, which is typically a bearish reversal pattern, but it actually did the ultimate and completely broke through to the upside. But we can see there is a big blow off top here. Some major resistance. We might be getting a little retest of this support at 0.07 before taking another leg up for this particular token. So that would of course be the most ideal scenarios, that we come down, reach this support zone, and then we get another bounce to the resistance at 0.086 for a retest. But it's really hard to say what's going to happen. It was overbought on that RSI, was very euphoric. We can see it happened quickly as well, the sell-off on the hourly time frame. But again, every bearish scenario does usually present a bullish one eventually. So we could start looking at really small time frames, trying to find, you know, these falling wedge positions if there are any, but really it's just falling very dramatically. We can see that right here as we join up some of these supports and resistances. So that is basically a huge descending channel right there. I don't know how much longer it will traverse like that for, but there is every chance we get a breakout soon if the bulls do bite back and we get enough accumulation for this token. If you're also new to the channel and you want some trading signals, guys, be sure to check out our Patreon and Discord down below. We've got tons of analysts that will help you find loads of cool trading opportunities, such as the entry zones to take profits, the stop loss. You're going to get the signals delivered right to your Discord doorstep. Basically, you're going to get everything you need. We've got tons of analysts in here that are really helpful, and we are one of the fastest growing crypto Discords right now with 15,000 members. So please do check that out if you wish. We've also got a Patreon which supports the growth of the Discord, where you can sign up to different ranks like a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, a crypto champion, or a crypto legend. It depends on the tier that appeals to you most and how many benefits you wish to unlock. So yeah, looking pretty good in my honest opinion. The XinFin XDC network token, you can also see they're getting loads of highlights. So they do this every now and then. They do a weekly highlight of all the good things that went live and went down. XDC weekly July 23 to July 29. So in an effort to further digitalize global trade, the IMDA SG integrated the XDC network, helping to enable a more seamless and efficient flow of goods between digitally interconnected trading partners. They're also having a piece here discussing the growing developer community on the XDC network. can see the team is also hosting their inaugural XDC conference and developer summit from August 25 to 26. So every week they're doing more things, more bullish developments, more protocol upgrades, and more, I suppose, productivity. And that's what you want. In the bear market, you want to see growth because it shows that these projects have long-term commitment and they really believe in what they're doing. So fingers crossed one day we're going to see this coin get back to those all-time highs of, around 17 cents, which isn't really too crazy. And I think the coin can do it. Circulating supply, we've got 13.8 billion tokens of 37.7 billion total supply, which isn't terribly bad. I think we could have an interesting looking bull run for this particular coin. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe, comment, and see you all soon.